welcome to KC Quadtronics, and today on the channel we're going to be doing a repair of an ImerssionRC PowerPlay DVR with a busted screen. Wah, wah, wah. So this has been about like this ever since I got it, but there was no way to repair it ever since I got it until here recently, as most of you, if not all of you, already know, so that this wouldn't be messed up. But hey, no problem, right? It's 4 screws, literally. You'll see. Here we go, and boom, there is the butte. Okay, let's move that on out for a minute. First off, of course, take out your batteries. Second off, you don't got to worry about your memory card. Take out the 4 screws. I would give you a moment to pause if you need to pause in order to take out the 4 screws. Okay. Hopefully you paused and now we're back. And if you didn't, thanks for continuing to be impatient. So now that the 4 screws are removed, you're going to just easy flip it over. Okay? Flip it over. Push down with your finger and pull up. Oops, sorry. Push down with your finger and pull up on the screen. Kind of like a pop pusher does. Okay? And you might have to just ease it like a little bit up off at a time, because these buttons here, the buttons, they grab, so just be careful. You don't want to jerk nothing off the top or break any of these buttons that are on the top of your PowerPlay. They're little bitty. Don't want to mess those up. Anyways, here we go. So now, move on. I hope I'm not double audio this time. I'm pretty sure I fixed it. So as you can see, you got the processor here. You've got the internal clock battery, and on and on and on. OSD, huh, pretty neat. Here's your little Bex. There's another little Beck up here. So anyways, what you do, alright, you lift this up. You lift that little tab up, and as you can see, it don't come all the way up, so be careful. It just slants, and you're gonna want to use both fingers to do that. Don't just try to do it with one. You can break this. Alright, when you're done with that, just ease that out. It should just slide out. Now make note of how that was the end. You see that? It's not all the way in. It is all the way in, but just don't look it. Just make note of that. And also, you can see on here, see the little line going across right there? A little line going across. That shows you where this thing imprints and grabs a hold of it. So, alright, we're going to set this over here. Pull out the new screen. Here, let's see. Set the old screen up there. Alright, here we go. You ready? Because I am. This is exciting. Alright, this is my second time doing this. For the sake of science. Alright, here we go. Turn this upside down. Make sure the tab is up. And just, this doesn't have to be forced in. If it doesn't just slide in like that, then you're not lined up correctly. And sometimes you might have to wiggle a little bit. You shouldn't have to wiggle it at all much. That's about it right there. But yeah, you get it in there, make sure it's flush. If you notice, I'm kind of pushing back here as I'm pushing in, and if you'll do that, it will push it in, as this doesn't bend easy. It doesn't crease. So if you push on the middle, it's all liable to go in, but just kind of do it with both side fingers here and the middle finger there, kind of like you did to pull out the screen. Anyways, get that in like that, and you just push down on this. I would use 2 fingers, but totally up to you. Alright. Now that that's in, you're just gonna lay that flat. I'm gonna leave my plastic thing on there so that my screen's protected for now. Oh, make sure the slides down a little bit. You may have to turn it up on its side and kind of You know what? It would help if I had it the right way first off. Alright. Okay, hold on. The first time I did this, it was simple. Just like that. Yes, yes. There we go. Just like that. I'm so sorry for... There we go. You want to check it, go all the way around it, make sure everything's good. Now, put your screws in. Wow, talk about deja vu. I was like, oh no, it's got double audio. I gotta redo the whole video, and I did. I just unscrewed everything and put it all back to where it was. Alright. Now, go ahead and get the tightener down. Remember, these are plastic. Just tighten it just enough. Oh, let's see. Yep. Okay, that's fine. And looky here. Look at the screwdriver. You're gonna need at least a screwdriver like this long. There we go. Make sure this is okay. Alright, now for the ultimatum. Here we go. Boom. Boom. And well, let's put the back on. And got a full battery. Boom. There you go. And as you can see, it's fixed. Let's see. Playback. Play. There you go. And it's working. Haha, that is pretty cool. Pretty cool. Now there can be more spectating, especially from any family. Oh yeah, very underpowered. Yeah, that's cool. Anyways, as you see, it works. And there is no problems. Turn it off. And if you don't know, let's see. Turn it back on. One time. Check this out. You press. Oops, hold on. You press the button again, and then it lets you go over. And then you press that. And you can set up your clock, the beep, check your firmware version, reset the whole thing. Yeah, and then you press this to escape, go back, press that to enter, go down. You format by pressing that. Record, press that. Auto loop, just auto. It starts automatically recording as soon as I let's see, I do manual for now. That is it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this type of content, please comment down below in the comment section, and I'll leave what that made this video. All of it made this video, and that's what we all can do. You all, we work together to make dreams into reality. Anyways, that's all for now. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you learned everything you needed to, great. And if you have any questions, even greater, please ask. I'll be happy to answer them. If there's anything I could do better, also feel free to comment and let me know. Thank you all. Have a wonderful day.